Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get commendations in Monster Hunter World. Commendations are special materials used for crafting high-rank gear and some layered equipment. There are 3 reliable ways to get commendations: redefining the power couple, low-rank Kirin, and Zora Magdaros quests. The best and fastest method is the optional quest, redefining the power couple. This quest has a 100% commendation drop rate, making it the most efficient farm. Just complete the quest, finish the hunt, and you are guaranteed a commendation every run. Repeat redefining the power couple instead of random optional quests to save time and guarantee results. Voucher also increases the rewards when you complete the quest. And that's how to get commendations in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.